In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install Moviebox on your Windows PC or Mac. Moviebox isn't available as a native desktop application through the Microsoft Store or Mac App Store. Instead, you'll need to install it using the BlueStacks Android emulator. Open your web browser and search for Moviebox BlueStacks. From the search results, open the official BlueStacks page for Moviebox. Click Download or Run Moviebox to download the BlueStacks installer. Once the installer has finished downloading, open the installation file. If User Account Control asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. BlueStacks will check your system requirements. When prompted, click Agree and Install to begin the installation. Wait for BlueStacks to download and install on your computer. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection and system performance. After the installation is complete, launch BlueStacks. Click the search bar at the top of the BlueStacks window and search for the Moviebox. When the search results appear, select the first Moviebox app from the list and begin the installation. Once the installation finishes, open the app library in BlueStacks. You'll find the Moviebox installed and ready to use. Launch Moviebox, browse the available content, and start streaming your favorite movies and TV shows directly from your laptop or PC. That's all you need to do. You should now have Moviebox installed and running on your computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.